Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Akima, and we are about to make this delicious high protein honey butter chicken. It is packed with flavor. It takes about 30 minutes to make, and it is super simple. So if you try this recipe, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at It's Akima McDuffie, and I hope y'all enjoy. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. So here, I'm starting with 496 grams of diced chicken breasts, and this will be two servings, so about 248 grams of chicken per serving. I like cutting the chicken into bite-sized cubes first because it cooks way faster and gives you more surface area for that crispy coating that we love. Once that chicken is in a bowl, I start seasoning it. I'm gonna be adding some soy sauce, Himalayan salt, white pepper, and some garlic powder and onion powder. Nothing too fancy, just solid foundational seasonings that I always keep in my pantry, and I like to call these my pantry staples. Once you add all your seasoning, then we're gonna add one egg directly into the bowl. This helps bind everything together and gives the chicken that nice batter texture. I mix that all up really well so every piece of chicken is coated. After that mixy mix, I like to add cornstarch, and this part is key. The cornstarch is what gives the chicken that crispy, light texture when we fry it. You want to add enough so the chicken is fully coated, but not too dry and not too wet and sticky. While I was seasoning the chicken, my wok was heating up with about a little under a cup of oil. You don't need a ton. We're doing a shallow fry, not deep frying. Once the oil is hot, I add the chicken in batches. We want to make sure not to overcrowd the pan. That's how you lose crispiness in the chicken. I did a double fry here. So first we fry to cook the chicken through, and then the second fry gets it golden and crispy. Oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so delicious. Mmm. While our chicken is frying, this is the perfect time to get our garlic ready. We're gonna need about 5 cloves, and yes, 5 cloves because that really adds a nice garlicky flavor to your honey butter chicken. Now for the sauce, I'll be using the same pan, so you can go ahead and remove that excess oil and save that for another recipe, y'all. Do not waste that oil. Don't forget, you'll need 5 cloves of garlic, and if you don't want that much, that's okay, but Once that is minced, go ahead and clear your pot and let's get ready to make this delicious sauce. Now that our pot is ready, let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter and your minced cloves of garlic. Let that cook until it's nice and fragrant, and if you're anything like me, I personally like a little charred flavor, so I brown my garlic a little longer than some might, as long as you don't burn it. Then I start layering in my sauce. You have soy sauce, sesame oil, I use brown coconut sugar, chili powder, and garlic powder. Go ahead and let that all get nice and marinated and let all the flavors come together. You're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of chili oil and then about 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. This was literally all the honey I had left, so it was perfect. And then once that's all mix, go ahead and add about 3 to 4 more tablespoons of butter. Trust me, I mix everything together and let it simmer for a bit until it's nice and thick. And once that sauce looks super good, I add the fried chicken back into the pan. Now we just toss until everything is nice and coated. This is the part where your kitchen starts to smell amazing. And if you have dogs, I bet you they're gonna be around your kitchen right now. You are looking at 77 grams of protein per serving, which is huge. And this is a great dinner option if you're prioritizing protein, building meals around strength training, or just trying to stay full and satisfied. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more high protein, realistic meals like this, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And you can follow me on Instagram at It's Akima McDuffie for more recipes, tips, and real life meal prep ideas. I'll see you guys in the next video.